Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Our property viewing today will be of the beautiful and spectacular Tradewinds. Tradewinds is a wonderful resort-style-like home possessing 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Nestled in the cozy area of Montego Bay, Jamaica, this home rests upon just over 1 full acre of freestanding natural land. The main building holds 3 bedrooms, with each possessing their own bathroom. The main residence also comes with a large terrace on the upper floor area, and in turn complementing the open floor plan of the lower level, making this home perfect for entertaining. The detached poolside cottage holds 2 spacious bedrooms, each with their own bathroom, and a complementary outdoor shower area which flows and connects almost seamlessly with the beautiful infinity edge swimming pool. The pool is located directly next to the bar area and yoga deck near the garden. Tradewinds is also located within walking distance of excellent restaurants and the amazing Half Moon Golf Club, as well as being only a 10-minute drive away from Sangster International Airport. Now, without further ado, let's take a closer look and explore the beauty of Tradewinds. The price for this home is in USD $4,650,000. In Jamaican dollars, 745,800,000 $884,645. In Canadian, $6,505,513. In euros, $4,004,162. And in British pounds, $3,481,409. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com.